Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down again to find the phone ringtone. As you can see, it is divided between two different SIM slots, so you can divide of course the ringtone, and let me show you how to do it using, for example, the first SIM slot. That was a misclick. So let me tap on it, and after that you will be transferred, actually maybe not transferred, but your device will pop up the window with the with defaultly installed ringtones from which you can choose. As you can see at the very top, we've got the option none, which means that after picking it, your device will not notify you about the incoming call using the sound feedback. And at the very bottom of this list, on the other hand, we've got add ringtone, which means that after tapping on it, you will be transferred to your own files. So if you will have some, for example, downloaded or recorded, they will appear right here, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. If you cannot find them here, no worries, just the three bars icon, and as you can see, you can change the file. So let's get back. And here, let me pick something from the defaultly installed ones. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And you will be able to hear it, to listen to it actually. And if you're happy with your choice, just make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked, like here the natural one, and tap on OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied here. It is visible right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about the incoming call. Of course, it will work the same with the other SIM slot. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Motorola Edge 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.